Alright, so my girlfriend's testing out the sound system in the truck, and so far it works. Well, tonight's project, putting a seat inside this sexy truck. Just saying. I have no idea what I'm doing. Car projecty things. Oh yeah. And the truck now has working blinker lights. Fuck yeah, kitten. Okay, at this particular moment in time, I am 100% sad and depressed. And I'm gonna go out and do something about it. I'm gonna go put stickers on my truck and maybe make them go faster and document it and make it funny and put it on the internet, cause fuck it. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna fucking pick myself. Okie dokie. Let's try this again. Alright, so I'm really sad, depressed, that kind of shit. I'm a tall person, if you can't tell. This is an S10. And I got a sunburn off the, as you can tell, sunroof. So I'm gonna delete that with fuck kind of stickers I have lying around. And I'm kind of depressed. So I thought I'd go out and do something. As far as I got. And then I'm just gonna record a good chunk of it. Maybe my roommate. That guy. Okay, that's what I wanted to do with the camera. I swear. Andy.
Okay.
We might do something. Haven't figured it out. Stay tuned. Okay, good. I won't lie. When I got home from work and I got the packages, a picture of my uncle that passed by this last fall, and a recipe that I thought I lost from my grandpa, I cried a lot for a good chunk of time, and that motivated me to put stickers on my truck, which is really dumb, but at the same time, I recorded all of it, hopefully for humor purposes, and you know, how can I honor the people that I've loved and cared about that have passed away in my life? What can I do? So I'm not gonna drag my feet anymore on like a YouTube shenanigans or something. I'm just gonna fucking send it. Okay, so little project that I've been doing for the last a couple days now that I didn't like. My sunroof, as you can see, there's stickers on there now. Sunburned me. So if you have fun stickers that would be fun to put on there, like one from this band that that played at a Twins game that my dad went to, or distilleries that you've been to and I should go to, feel free to send me a sticker, or something nerdy or anime related, or, you know, I mean, sky's the limit. We got, you know, anything and everything. So if you want to send me a sticker to put in this truck, I don't care what it is. No story. You can just be like, sticker, no explanation. I'll put it on the ceiling. Rain or shine. Just ask for my address and I will send it to you, because it is going to get weird. And I mean, I want this plastered as just like, oh, what the fuck is that? Because I think that'd be pretty kind of... Okay, so last time I shot this, it was a little bit darker than what I would have normally had liked. So, this time around, there's all the sun, you know, Kamehameha, Flake Film, all the way around, Flake Films, band names, breweries, I really hate this show, so I can't wait to cover this up with a sticker, by the way. Yeah. And if you were like, oh, my OCD's killing me, and blah, 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 good, because, I mean, it's destroying me. I want this thing completely covered, like 2-3 layers. More memes, the... Alright, newest accomplishment that I can add to my list of things that I've kind of sort of done. I tinted this back window. I'm fully aware that it kind of looks like butts. A little bit. I had a scrape or two over there and stuff like that. First time doing this literally ever, so I'm kind of proud that I only messed up like 2 or 3 times. And it's by the driver's side, so I really don't give a shit. Okie dokie. So, today I'm going to put on some more stickers that I got. This one is, see, band with, yeah, names of the numbers. Yeah. Played with those guys. Super freaking fun. And Cities Never Sleep. Another fun band that I've played with. That was a fun show. That was a really fun show. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to put those stickers on there. And I also tinted the back window. First time tinting everything. I mean, you can probably see like the smudges and stuff, but that'll be when I clean it out. Should have done it inside to start with. It's a little windy out here if you can't hear the stuff flying around. Then I also figured out how to remove the headrest in this particular chair, so I have a little bit more headroom and wiggle room, and it's way more comfortable in this truck now. Fuck yeah. Something else that's pretty cool. Being serenaded by my girlfriend while working on my truck. That alone should be one of the songs I write. Alright, StickerTruck update. Got a nice little envelope covering that up for you. I didn't even need to look at. It says Waldo. I'm like, it's like they know me or something, and I keep this Waldo hat in my truck at all times, you know, because when you go up to some sort of car event, it's a good time finding me, you know, I'm just saying. Got their logos. Dad mods. Hells yeah! I mean, dude, look at this logo. That's just primo. I mean, it's got YouTube. It's got dad mods. I mean, come on. Perfect. Donnie, Jake, friggin' love you guys. Keep building what you're building, because, I mean, I don't think I put this sticker on the inside. This has got to be an outstarred sticker. Actually, probably, you know, what you sent me to, doubling down. Inside and outside. The rest of the world's got to see that one, just because I know that one's waterproof, like the one you have here from Mischief. The original sticker from that crew. Man, ripping you guys for the rest of my life, I swear. Alright, so back at it doing the truck stuff. And as per tradition, it's been a hot minute since I've had something go wrong. I messed up tinting the driver's side window. I got it on there, starting to squeegee it out, and I made a gigantic, beautiful crescent fold, and I'm like, this looks so bad. So if anyone knows how to do tint on the windows, I have the materials, and they're willing to learn how. But I think next time I'm just going to take the windows out of the doors. One, because I'm going to do the sound system, but two, I'm lazy and I don't want to fuck this up for like the second time, because this one, But for the side windows, I really don't want to mess it up, because I look out those a lot more than looking backwards. Just saying. This is a very familiar feeling to me when it comes to car stuff. Granted, only cost me $10 this time. Well, truck adventure number, I've lost count at this point in time. Well, when in doubt, paint it. The banner part right here was bright white for no particular reason, so, you know, I thought I'd fix it and just paint the rest of it black. I hope that works, because I know the underneath here, you can still see that some of those ripples came through, but at least it'll look a little bit better. Okay, I got a slight rant about stickers. I had a whole bunch of stickers in the mail that I would love to put on this truck at this particular moment in time. But she's not running at 100% / is not street worthy. So I'm not going to put any stickers on this truck until that issue has been resolved. I've seen a number of people, put stickers on cars in a parking lot or just as they're working on it willy-nilly, and it's not running. Be it parts for, I put in this suspension, or I put in, this is my waifu, or fill in the blank, it doesn't matter. You don't put stickers on something that's not running. I just sold my Civic, and I could have easily sticker bombed the last, 2 quarter panels with that, and nah, that's an abomination if you ask me. So, I'm holding off putting on any more stickers on this truck until it's running. I mean, you gotta fix the problems first before you can have fun. Work before play. Otherwise, it makes me a very dull boy. Alright, so I replaced the rotor cap, and now it's just making this kind of a noise. It really confuses me, but apparently the people that I'm standing around with tell me that's the sound of it working. I don't know what that is. I'm at a loss for words here. Alright, StickerTruck update time. True to my word, I said if you gave me stickers, I would put it on this truck. That happened. I understand either you're trolling, understandable, because I don't put politics anywhere near on anything ever, or you're legitimately wanting me to put a Republican sticker on something. I'm not going to put a Republican, Democrat, or Independent sticker on a gall dang thing. Politics stays off of cars, off of Facebook. Okay, maybe not Facebook, you know, because that's kind of funny. But I'm going to put the sticker on this truck and then cover it up with any other sticker ever. I mean, they're except for, you know, motocross stickers, because those don't make sense to me. Or sunglasses. Those are other stickers that just don't make sense to me. Just like politics. It's just bad taste. I mean, it's a bumper sticker. I mean, I get it if you put... I would just like to let you know, at this particular moment in time... Politics. No. That's how you make and break friends right then and there. That's... Ron Swanson is my go-to political stance. If you're ever curious, very much the Ron and the Swanson. Alright. I've pretty much accomplished all the stickers that I have in the StickerTruck at this point in time on the ceiling. I think it looks like vomit and awesome sauce. I mean, just look at this, You can't even tell there was like a Trump sticker there. Except for the American flag, because obviously I'm American. Ugh. Freedom, hoy. Freedom, hoy. Yeah. But, no. All these turned out pretty dope. Yes, I'm fully aware this camera is upside down for the sake of that. But, yeah, I got some bands, some beers, whole bunch of random shenanigans. So, I mean, honestly, whoever bought me the $10 100 stickers, thank you. Whoever else donated stickers and whatnot, also thank you. There will be a follow-up video to all the stickers on the outside and the inside, and a specific rant about what stickers should and should not go on cars and trucks. Okay, I got a slight rant about stickers. I had a whole bunch of stickers in the mail that I would love to put on this truck at this particular moment in time. But she's not running at 100% / is not street-worthy. So, I'm not going to put any stickers on this truck until that issue has been resolved. I've seen a number of people, put stickers on cars in a parking lot or just as they're working on it willy-nilly, and it's not running. Be it parts for, I put in this suspension, or I put in, this is my waifu, or fill in the blank, it doesn't matter. You don't put stickers on something that's not running. I just sold my Civic, and I could have easily sticker bombed the last, 2 quarter panels with that, and nah, that's an abomination if you ask me. So, I'm holding off putting on any more stickers on this truck until it's running. I mean, you gotta fix the problems first before you can have fun. Work before play. Otherwise, it makes me a very dull boy. That one time I said, this might be the problem, or I think I fixed it. Still misfiring. Ladies and gentlemen. She lives, no codes. What? Well, last night I locked myself out of my truck, and I forgot about it till this morning because my apartment was open. Luckily, the previous owner made a couple spares. All right, got a StickerTruck update. I have so far a beautiful sticker just collage going on. It's all nice and dandy, but right here got some openings. I got a buddy of mine that sent me some pictures of Spider-Man. Aside from the meme, they're a little too big for the inside of this truck. If you haven't noticed, there's a whole bunch of ones that are about this size and about this size, but not limited to this size. And oh look, it's the same sticker again. So I got YouTube, Streamer, Whiskey Rock and Roll Club, and this one is just for good luck. I've had this in like every single one of my cars for like the last 5. I'm totally putting this bad boy up because I need all the luck I can get with this truck at this point in time. Sweet beans. But if you got any other stickers you guys want me to put on here, I got space. These things are starting to come off thanks to the weather and the wind. So send some love.